In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect PayPal to Gumroad. This process is essential for anyone who wants to streamline their payment systems on Gumroad, allowing you to seamlessly receive payments through PayPal, one of the most widely used payment methods globally. First, let's begin by heading over to the Gumroad website. Open your web browser and navigate to www.gumroad.com. When you arrive on the homepage, you'll see an option to log in. Click on the login button situated at the top right corner of the page. This will direct you to the login page where you can access your Gumroad account. Now, if you have your Gumroad credentials handy, go ahead and log in. However, for simplicity and speed, let's log in using Google. Click on the Google button and you'll be prompted to select the Google account you wish to use. Choose the account linked to your Gumroad profile and proceed with the authorization process. This feature makes login quick and secure, saving you from the hassle of remembering yet another password. Once you're logged into your account, the next step is to access your settings. Direct your attention to the top menu where you'll find various options. Click on Settings to open your account settings page. This section contains all your account preferences, payment options, and other settings relevant to your Gumroad account. On the settings page, you'll notice several sub-menus. Click on Payments, which will guide you to the Payment Setup section. Here you can manage the various payment methods available for your Gumroad transactions. Now, to integrate your PayPal account, you need to click on the PayPal button. This action will take you to the PayPal integration page, specifically designed for setting up and managing PayPal as a payment option. Now that you're at the PayPal setup page, it's time to link your PayPal account to Gumroad. Here, you'll need to enter your PayPal details. Accurately input your PayPal email, ensuring there are no typos or errors. This information is crucial as it directs where your incoming payments will be deposited. To recap, the easy steps involve navigating to Gumroad's homepage, logging in, accessing settings and payments, and finally adding your PayPal details. Taking a few minutes to configure these settings accurately makes your payment process through Gumroad and PayPal smooth and efficient. If at any point you feel uncertain, remember that you can revisit these settings and make any necessary corrections. By following these steps, you can effortlessly integrate PayPal with your Gumroad account and focus on what matters most, growing your online store. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this guide helpful. Until next time, happy selling.